Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by creating a new video project in Canva and picking the correct aspect ratio, 16, 9 for feeds or 9, 16 for stories. Upload your logo, product images, short clips, and a single 16-30-second script so you stay concise. Once done, set your brand colors and fonts and styles to keep visuals consistent. This saves time while editing. Make sure to import a backing track under 30 seconds to match pacing and skip long setup steps. You're already building the ad. Now you assemble scenes. Split your script into 3 to 5 beats and assign roughly 3 to 6 seconds each so viewers digest every point. Drag footage or images into each frame, then add text overlays and a clear CTA, short, bold, positioned lower third. Once done, use Canva's timeline to trim clips and align cuts to the music beat for energy. Make sure to use consistent transitions and adjust auto-resize when preparing multiple aspect ratios to avoid awkward crops. Finish by previewing the complete ad and listening for audio balance. Ensure the key message appears within the first 3 seconds. Export as MP4 at high quality and choose the correct frame rate to match platforms. Once exported, test on a phone and desktop to confirm legibility and volume. If something goes wrong, re-upload problematic clips, clear your browser cache, or shorten scenes that cause export errors. These quick fixes resolve most issues without redoing your whole project.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.